Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello students of Madsa Surba. Welcome back to an online English lesson for grade 8 junior high school or Islamic junior high school with me, Heru Haryadi. Today's meeting, we are going to learn about invitation that are expression of making, accepting, and declining the invitation. Before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadikas salihin. Amin. Alright, in the last meeting, we have learned about invitation actually, but today we are going to learn more about invitation, especially about expression of making, accepting, and also declining the invitation. Alright, the material for today is related to a hadith from Bukhari and Muslim. إِذَا دُعِيَ أَحَدُكُمْ إِلَى الْوَلِيمَةِ فَلْيَأْتِهَا. When one of you is invited for a wedding feast, he must attend it. Well, the learning objectives for today are: the first one is you are able to identify the expressions of making, accepting, and declining an invitation. And the second one, you are able to construct a dialogue related to invitation that are making, accepting, and also declining. Well, the first material that I will tell you, when we make an invitation, okay, this is about a special occasion. Yeah, actually, I will divide this occasion into two. The first one is special occasion, and then the second one is casual occasion. Okay, for the first one, for special occasion, the example are meeting, birthday party, family gathering, and the last one, graduation. Yeah, in this special occasion, sometimes we ask someone to attend to our event, right? So the second occasion here is casual, that happen in our daily life. For example, doing homework, making a project, going to somewhere, and visiting friends. Expressions to invite someone. I will divide this expression into two, that is formal and informal. And I'll give you the example. If you want to invite someone in formal situation, it means that you ask to older people. You can use this expression. For example, would you like to come? I'd very much like you to come, blah blah blah. We would be delighted if you blah blah blah. And for informal situation, it means that you ask your friends. You can use this expression. For example, can you come to blah blah blah? For example, can you come to my house to do the homework together? And then the second example, will you come to blah blah blah? Please come to blah blah blah. You must come to blah blah blah. Next is about how to respond. Yeah, if we talk about how to respond, here I will divide it into two, accepting and declining. Sometimes we can accept the invitation from other people, but in another hand, sometimes we can attend that event. Yeah, I will give some example. If you want to accept the invitation of your friends or your family, you can use this expression. Number one, I would like very much to blah blah blah. That's very kind of you. Yes, certainly I will come. Sir, I will come. Okay, I'll be there. But if you want to decline the invitation from other people, you can use this expression. Number one, I'm terribly sorry, I don't think I can. I'm very sorry, I can't. Thank you very much, but blah blah blah. You can fill this blah 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 with the reason why you cannot come. Okay, the next example, I'd love to, but blah blah blah. And the last one, can't make it. Okay, this also I already graded this example from the more formal one into less formal. So I would like very much to, this is more formal than okay, I'll be there. It's also happened in declining the invitation. Here, I'm terribly sorry, I don't think I can. It's more formal than can't make it. Here, I'll give you the example in the form of dialogue. I will read the dialogue for you. Okay, at break time, Erwin is reading a book in class. Then suddenly, Bagas comes and greets him. Hi Erwin, what are you doing? Well, I'm reading an English book. We are having a test tomorrow, remember? Wow, you are very diligent. Not at all, I just don't have anything else to do. By the way, I'm going to have a birthday party at my house this Sunday. I'm 13 now. Happy birthday, Bagas, congratulations. You are a teenager now. Thank you, I'd like you to come. I'm terribly sorry, I don't think I can. I have to go to my grandmother's house this Sunday. She is ill. Okay, students, let's identify which sentence that express about making an invitation or accepting and declining. Okay, let's find the sentence. Alright, I will show you. Here you can read this sentence. I'd like you to come. This sentence means that Bagas asks Erwin to come to his house. Yeah, this sentence that express making an invitation. Okay, I will show you another sentence here. Erwin said, I'm terribly sorry, I don't think I can. Yeah, this sentence express declining the invitation because he cannot come to Bagas' house. Well, next dialogue, it's still about Bagas and Erwin. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope she will get well soon. Thanks. When they are talking, Mirza comes. Hi, what are you two talking about? Bagas is going to have a birthday party at his house this Sunday. Really? Happy birthday, Bagas. Thank you, Mirza. Would you like to come? I'd love to. Great. Well, students, let's identify this dialogue with sentence that express about making an invitation or accepting and declining. Okay, I will show you this sentence. You can read here, would you like to come? This sentence means Bagas asks Mirza to come to her house. Yeah, it means that this sentence, would you like to come, is expression of making an invitation. Okay, the next sentence here, Mirza said, I'd love to. It means that Mirza can come to Baga's house. Yeah, it's called expression of accepting the invitation. Well, it's time to do the exercise. The instruction is read the dialogues carefully, then answer the question. Okay, I will provide the first dialogue and the second dialogue for you. Please read it yourself. And then after that, please do the assignment on Google Classroom based on this dialogue. Yeah, this is for dialogue 1. The dialogue is between the dialogue is among Diana, Sinta, and Tony. Okay, for the second dialogue, this dialogue is between Sinta and Mr. Couchet, her father. Please read yourself. Well, this is the question for you. Answer the question based on the dialogue. There are 5 questions. Number 1, who is going to have a party? Number 2, does Sinta accept the invitation to the party? Number 3, how about Tony? Does he accept the invitation too? Question number 4, is Tony going to come to the party? Number 5, does Sinta's father allow Sinta to stay at Diana's party until the party is over? Why or why not? Okay, students, please answer this question on Google Classroom. I already provide the Google form for you, so please answer these 5 questions based on the previous dialogues, Dialogue 1 and Dialogue 2. Well, I think that's all the explanation about invitation, especially about expression of making an invitation, accepting, and also declining the invitation. I hope you all understood with my explanation. If you still face the difficulties to understand this material, please don't be shy to ask me in Google Classroom, of course. Well, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do the assignment. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.